coins object that you will then randomly appear. We will collect these coins, they will be stored, and later then we will learn how to program to use them in a store. So let's begin. Insert a new object called coins. Navigate to your folder. And use CoinSpin. Adjust the speed on this animation to be 6. Loop it and ping pong it. Exit and add the bullet behavior. So we will bring this to the bottom of our layout. Next, let's go to our event sheet where we will begin our programming. We're going to navigate down towards where we have game time divided by 1. So open up your obstacle group, select line, in my instance, 25, right-click, and add a sub-event. We're going to use the system, compare two values. The first value will be game time. We're going to do shift 5 divided by 5. And remember, this means whatever this value, this number, this variable represents, divided by 5, if there is no remainder, so we're talking 5, 10, 15, 20, this will then activate. So I'm going to scroll up here, minimize some of these, so it's easier to see. So now, if our game time again is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, we want for the system first we want the system to randomly choose. So I apologize. Let's add a few local variables. The first is going to be called coin lane. Next, we're going to add one more called coin chance. Next, if again our game time is divisible by 5, we want for the system to do a random number choice. Select your system, go set, and we want for our local variable of coin chance to be set to floor random 2, shift 0, shift 0. So again, what this does is it randomly chooses a number of 0 or 1. Next, a sub-event off this, and we're going to check to see, did the computer choose So again, if our game time is divisible by 5, the system will randomly choose either the number 0 or 1. If the system chooses the number 1, we want to have the computer set a coin lane to floor random 3 shift 0 shift 0. So it's going to choose then a coin lane of 0, 1, or 2. It will then create the object coin on layer 2, our obstacle lane, at the coordinates of coin lane times 160 and a y of -10. Let me do a quick correction. We're actually going to have this value, the coin lane times 160, then add that to 200. Next, we're going to have the coins come in on the screen. And we're going to go bullet speed to game speed. Next, we're going to do the coin's bullet angle of motion to 90 degrees. Next, select holding Shift, all 3, hold Control, and copy this 2 times. Then, on this second system create, we're going to change the Y vertices. So instead of -10, -70. And instead of -10 here, we're going to choose -130. Next, let's go to our obstacle destroy group. Before I do that, I'm going to close the obstacle group and go to our destroy. Like these items, when the coins are off screen, we want the computer to forget about them. This will prevent our game from slowing down. Go ahead, hold Control and copy, right-click, and replace object. Select your coins, and there we go. Now when this is off screen, the computer will destroy the object, forgetting about it and preventing a slowdown of our game. Next, we're going to add a different sub-event off of this. So right-click, add sub-event. We're going to test, is the coin overlapping another object? Let's do outcrop left to start. We're then going to add an OR. So right-click, make an OR block, and then add another condition. Again, coins overlapping, and this time, outcrop right. And finally, another condition, and we'll choose island. go ahead, select, holding control, and copy this. So now the computer won't put objects over obstacles since we can't actually get to those. So if the computer randomly selects and positions objects over obstacles, it will automatically destroy these simply because we as the player cannot grab or obtain them. Next, let's add two global variables. The first, called score, and another called coins. Next, we're going to go to the obstacle collision group. We're now going to program for the salmon to hit the coins. So add a sub-event. When our salmon collides with the coin, we want for the coins to be destroyed. And for the system to add to the coins variable 1. Next, we're going to go back to the obstacle create group, or in my case, obstacle group. Off of every 1 second, we're going to add a new sub-event. This is going to check for every 20 seconds a new activity is going to happen. So again, have the computer compare two values. We're going to have the computer check, is our game time divided by 20 with no remainder, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, equal to 0. When this happens, we want for our game to get a little faster. So the longer they're in the game, the faster the game gets. The faster the game gets, the more difficult it becomes. So to do this, we are going to take the system, select add, and we want to add to game speed 25. So 25 pixels faster every 20 seconds this game gets. We're then going to do an add, land left, right, all of our obstacles and adjust the speeds of these obstacles to game speed. So as we adjust the speed of the game, the obstacle should be adjusted as well. Go ahead, copy this and change the objects. I'm going to do that. Pause the video, you can see everything that I change. The best way to do that, if you select, hold Control and copy, right-click, replace object. There you go. This is the fastest way to go about doing it. Following, I'd say pause the video, look what I have here, and make sure it matches. Next, we're going to add some more sub-events.